What do you think?
I think it's really good. I might have went a little heavy on the cayenne. We're back.
Bienvenidos.
I don't know what that means.
It
Welcome?
means welcome.
Oh, I got it.
Welcome to my Mexican kitchen.
Okay. I'm, Canadian, a little more of the French vibe.
Well, we're making fajitas for dinner tonight and a really yummy salsa to go with it that's toasted pumpkin seed and tomatillo. And I just had the idea to make a Mexican hot chocolate.
Let's do it. That sounds amazing.
Yeah, it was spontaneous, but I think we need it, right?
Okay, I like the blender. This is something that I feel like I'm pretty good at right here. I don't know what it is yet, but I like it.
This is not traditional in any sense, but we're gonna do it our way. We're gonna pit these dates.
Yep, I'm on it. Just
So
pit them and throw them in?
Yes, we've
Do you
got
want me to rip
6
them up?
dates.
No,
The blender
the
can
blender
do
will do that hard work. Yeah, that's right.
We've got 6 dates. We've got 2 bananas, a tablespoon of Goji Berries, because who doesn't want antioxidants and superfoods in their hot chocolate, and a third of a cup of cashews for that creaminess, like milk inside. Then we're gonna do some vanilla, some cayenne and cinnamon, and that's what's gonna make it the Mexican hot chocolate.
Wait, what's gonna make a chocolate?
And that's the part I forgot.
Oh,
We're back.
we're back. The dates are in.
Awesome.
What's next? Bananas?
Yep.
Bananas?
So the nanners and dates are our sweetness. The cashews are our creaminess, our spice section, and then we're gonna use raw cacao powder as our chocolate. So I'm gonna go heavy on this. Raw cacao powder is not sweet at all. It's actually a little bit bitter.
Yeah,
So
it's a nice bitterness, so I like it.
It's really good. It's actually
Maybe I'm a psychopath.
real chocolate.
And can I just dump these in?
Yeah,
Whoa,
around the world.
that's right. Go ahead,
I'm
go
gonna
ahead.
put this quarter cup of
Quarter cup.
cacao powder.
Quarter cup. Bam. Okay, how much vanilla?
Just a touch.
Okay. Ready for this?
Holding my breath. Wow.
I mean, I've
was
come a long way.
amazing.
I've come a long way, Debbie.
Okay,
Some
not
red pepper. Ooh, how
cayenne.
much?
Yeah, not too much. Just maybe let's see how much comes out in the first dash. Yeah,
Too much?
we'll see. I think that'll be good.
Okay.
It will stop
There
us
wasn't
from
that
drinking
much.
it too fast.
Okay.
Yeah,
How much cinnamon?
more.
Yeah, we like the
Yeah.
cinnamon.
Yeah, that'll give us that spicy flavor.
All right.
That looks good. Okay, and then I boiled some water. We're just gonna put 4 cups of hot water in here and blend it, and then our
Let's do
hot
it.
chocolate's done. 4 cups. Here's
Oh, wow, you're gonna pour it in? I'm stepping out of this one.
there.
All right. Blending time.
Oh, be really careful when you blend it with hot liquid. You have to make sure it's closed and start on a low speed.
Didn't know that. I'm glad you told me.
Yeah, because if it splashes up, it will burn.
Moment of truth here. You ready for this?
Wow,
It smells nice.
it smells really good. This is kind of like a hot chocolate shake, right?
Yeah. It's kind of a tweener.
Cheers. Salud. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah? What do you think?
I think it's really good. I might have went a little heavy on the cayenne.
It's good. If you put cayenne in a sweet smoothie, it stops you from drinking it too fast. So sometimes it's good to put a little pinch of cayenne into your shakes
I didn't know that.
if you tend to guzzle them.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. I usually guzzle. Just like that, we got our hot chocolate.